it's you. Just kidding. Come in, guys. I'm going to give you a mini house tour. So this is one thing I never do. But today I want to share some tips with you guys. So we are going to go around this house, which is actually a 4-year-old house, which I just renovated because I didn't want to spend too much. So let me show you and explain to you the areas. This area is not done yet. I'm getting abaca carpets made. I have a coffee table that's coming. Was able to get this amazing couch by Bonaldo. This is like super nice to like chill and have my red one and some cheese, s'il vous plaît. But there's one tip I can give you. If you have an outdoor area that's not being used, the one thing that changes everything is fake turf. Potato has been spotted. He is eating some kind of wild fruit called the apple. So this is baby Potato, but he will soon have a homemade house by All Homes is actually building one for him with a pool and the bedroom. So this is the famous baby. He just likes to chill here. For the first time, I didn't get an interior decorator because I wanted to do everything on my own. So it's little by little, slowly but surely. My style is really like, how would I say, homey, jungly, Havana, Moroccan chic. And of course, guys, it is important to mix because the moment you match like the perfect beige table with the perfect beige curtains and the perfect beige walls, it just looks like a hotel room actually, which is nice once in a blue moon. But when you're at home, you want to feel like the house. This is our humble TV room. Everything you see here from the detail is by moi. I unboxed everything on my own, but I was helped by lane movers to box everything from my apartment. Matt's in her panty. Shelving is fun because you can basically put anything you want. I think a home only becomes a home when you put actual life into it. And for me, life is plants. It just brings everything together. Like if none of this were here, it would look so bare and plain. So, yep. Stick to 3 colors. Basically, if you look at my color tones, it's beiges, blacks, and pops of colors like blue and orange. Another secret. This is the guest bathroom. And I didn't want to do anything here because I didn't want to spend in changing the tiles. So I add a fun mirror. This is like an antique looking one from India. And again, a plant in the shower. I know it's weird, but when you're showering and there's a plant next to you, you feel like you're outdoor in one of those resorts like where no one's looking at you and you're just like, yeah, maybe shower me with the green. I'm just kidding. This wall, for example, is an accent wall, but I am going to put a really funky, out of this world wallpaper. So it gives a little bit of life in this area since it's basically my room and a random balconies. So I can tan here, and I'm soon going to put bamboo everywhere. Potato's house is going to be here. Here is my bedroom. One thing that people don't think of investing in is a mattress. Now I know it seems like if the price is higher, like why would I spend so much on a cushion? But the most important thing in your life is sleep. Because if you have good sleep, your brain cells work well, you work well. If you have good sleep, you age better because you have no like back cramps, you don't become Cuba. So I'm telling you, if you invest in a good bed, no matter what the price is, it will last you at least 10 years or more. I chose Magniflex. This is, that was not a fart by the way, it was my legs that rubbed. It sounded like a fart. It's not a fart. So this is a mattress. It's super nice. It's amazing for the back. Not too hard, not too soft. But I did want it to feel like a hotel bed. So I put a lining of duck feathers. Get a cat so they kill all the rat. Okay. This is actually a nice accent you can do behind a bed. It's not expensive to make, or at least the one I did, I got with cheaper materials. But it makes the bed look funky. Don't make you horny, baby. It's like a very Austin Power feel, but it brightens up the room. So this is my bathroom. Again, I just renovated the interior. This is Nico's, and everything else you see in the room is mine. The shower, I opted to keep. I was helped by Nest Plant Studios there on Instagram, and they do a lot of indoor plants. So they come to your house and they tell you what plant is good for what area based on the light. And since I don't have a green thumb, my plants are amazing because I water them once a month. Important also, when you're moving into a house, just make sure you check things that you wouldn't think of checking. Electricals, piping, drainage. I lived here for a week with no hot water. Even if I had the heaters, it didn't work, so it was cold water, which is still fun. Some of the electrical plugs weren't working, and important, pest control. So this was basically an office before, and this is my mini walk-in closet. I've always wanted to have one. So I have my shoes, I have everything's organized. Look at this vlogger. Solenn the vlogger. I know, cameraman out there, you're judging the way I'm keeping my camera. I know it's not in a good position, but it works. Also, if you're building a place and you don't have time to go back and forth, it's nice to go to a store that has everything. I went to All Homes and literally I was like, whoa. Basically, they had everything. Finally, some Solenn art. But this was one that I didn't want to sell in my exhibit, and now it's here. I have a wall for it. Also, another way to spice up a room is by using a statement piece chandelier by Home Cartel. They have a lot of fun lights. This is actually recycled from my old house, so I thought this was a cute corner to have like a nice rest area. And since the guest room is here, at least if I have a guest, they're not shy and they can just chill in their own area. So this is more of Nico's inspo. So we have anything to do with horses and Argentina, pots. When I first moved into my apartment, I had it decorated and I loved the job they did. But when I traveled around and saw something cute, I wasn't able to buy it because I had no more space. So this time, I'm taking my time. So for now, again, I have a bed. This is from Felux. I love the Asian feel. To spice up the toilet, I just put a fun mirror. So it kind of looks designed. And what people have been waiting for. And no, this is not my coming out video. And no, I am not pregnant. But this is the future baby room, if ever. So right now there's nothing, and I don't want to jinx it, so I'm going to make it into an art studio or maybe put a treadmill or something. Still deciding. I've literally been in this house for like a week. So there. Let's go to the kitchen. So now we're heading down to the kitchen. Basically this was their dirty kitchen before, but I just kept it as my main. So at least when there's guests, it's separate, and at least the food smell stays downstairs. I'm so happy. I have a big fridge now because before I had a very small fridge and I could only fit like 3 days worth of food without it looking messy. But now I have space to organize and still fill it up. My morning shots, ginger shots from the juicery. All the Bolzico beef stuck here, like literally have tons. So Nico's happy because he can fit all his meat. So basically what I did in this kitchen again is to just change the countertop because they were black and it looked a bit dull. And I added this island in the middle because there's a big empty space that I thought was not useful. And since I like to cook and I like to bake and I like to blog, I thought it would be nice to have a space here. Even when we go running in the morning and want to have coffee, we can just talk here. Accent in a kitchen is also needed, which is why I got these fun looking lights. Copper and stone, again in the direction I like. The reason why I like the layout like this is that everything is arm's reach. I just have to kind of go like, whoo, whoo, whoo. Nothing too crazy. Again, I'm so happy with my stove. It's not small anymore. This is from La Germania. Very good quality stoves, just like my fridge also. And basically there, fire stove for me, very important because food tastes better. I don't know why. So basically I have a board here, and when I leave the country, I just put all the reminders here of what to do, like feed Negroni. And there's a whole back area, which I don't want to show because that's also their private area, my helpers. But there's another kitchen there that I got from All Homes. They have their own stove. They have their own rooms with carpets and bed. That's basically it. But for now, at least you guys were the first ones to see it. Even my parents haven't been here. Even Erwan. Erwan's been here and there was nothing, just boxes. Yes, curtains. Curtains is an investment. It makes the room look bigger. So right now the ceiling looks really high, but if you look at my window, it's short. So if I had chosen curtains to hide just the window, like this, the room would have looked different, a whole lot different. Basically, that's it. If you want more details, just visit my blog, solenn.ph. Everything is there, all the details that you can get from All Homes La Germania, lane movers, nest plans. I mean, everything is there. So now you know what to do. Get on your computer and go to my website and learn. I'm just kidding. So go to my website and find out all the details there. And if you have any questions, just comment on my blog and I'll be happy to help you decorate your own place. Now, can you please leave because I want to chill and pet my cat. And okay, fine, pet Negroni too. Okay, babu! This is how you do it. Mads. Oh my gosh, like look at my drips. I have like a sweat drop. Sexy. So again guys, reminder, Solenn Heussaff here. If you like my videos, then I'm happy that you like it. If you don't, then you don't. I'm not gonna force you. But I do hope you like it, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Just everything fun and under the sun, nothing too serious, but lots of reality.